Malaysia is one of the other countries that has been affected from this coronavirus pandemic. The pandemic gives a huge impact on every aspect, especially on the economy. In order to support this statement, statistics shows that the gross domestic product or GDP has dropped by 5.6% in 2020. It was the worst performance since Asian financial crisis in 1998. However, the experts expected the GDP will be at 4% in 2021. Moreover, the percentage of the unemployment rate has reached to 4.8% in 2020, which is the worst record for the unemployment rate in 3 decades, and is expected to increase in 2021 due to the economic downturn. The forex in 2020 is 1 ringgit equal to 4.0286 US dollar, while in 2020 is 1 ringgit equal to 4.1005 US dollar. These bad records may happen due to steps taken by the government in order to control the coronavirus from keep spreading among the society, and also to decrease the daily cases of the virus. For instance, the steps taken by the government are closing the border, closing of businesses by implementing lockdown for the whole nation. From all the reasons that have been stated, the government has done several incentives for individuals, for private sectors and for government to boost the economy. For individuals, some other incentive given to them are lower income individuals might get a certain amount of money under BPR program. Qualified person may withdraw some of their money from the Employees Provident Funds account. The government also has extended the tax relief for those who wanted to buy gadgets such as mobile phones, tablets, computers and more. This incentive is very crucial for everyone, especially the students, which can be used for online studies and for small businesses owners. Moreover, the government has extended the moratorium period for the debtors in order to reduce their financial stress. The conclusion for this part is, these incentives are government efforts to safeguard the people's welfare following the implementation of the MCO, especially the vulnerable groups and informal workers who are dependent on daily wages. For private sectors, small and medium enterprises may receive 500 each and up to 1,000 ringgit. 15% of the electricity discount were given to the tourism sector. Moreover, other government's effort to help the business sector by speeding up the execution of the SME and micro SME commerce campaigns, as well as the Shop Malaysia online campaign. The conclusion for this part is, these measures aim at encouraging local entrepreneurship and help to increase the investment. For SMEs, measures have been introduced to spur the setting up of new businesses. This incentive will lead to the increase of sales and the GDP rate, thus it stabilizes the company's cash flow. Furthermore, incentive for the government are recruitment of an additional 8,000 healthcare personnel for the Minister of Health, with a total of 150 million of allocations given by the government. The government also allocates a total of 14.4 billion for the Ministry of Higher Education to improve the facilities for the public universities. The conclusion for this part is that these recruits comprise assistant medical officers, paramedics, laboratory technicians and nurses are going to reduce the unemployment rate and giving more allocations to support the immunization program. Incentive for the Minister of Higher Education is to improve the level of education in Malaysia. Based on what I have explained in this video, we can see that the government of Malaysia has been planning several solutions in order to recover and to boost the economy affected from the coronavirus pandemic issue. All the implementations program might increase the economic condition by making the gross domestic product of Malaysia to increase and also to reduce the unemployment rate in Malaysia. Thus, we as citizens can help by following the SOP given by the government in order to stop the chain of infection, which can lead to a better economic growth.